On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Deprive.
To take away something from someone.
Examples:
Deprive others of profit. Deprive him of his status. He was deprived of his freedom when sentenced to life in prison.
Spit.
To eject saliva or other liquid from the mouth.
Examples:
Spit a bullet. Spit a mouthful of saliva. She tried to spit out the gum that she had been chewing.
Chuck.
To throw something carelessly or casually, to get rid of something or someone.
Examples:
Chuck the ball across the yard. Chuck my job. I will chuck these old shoes in the trash and buy a new pair.
Nerd.
A person who is very interested in and knowledgeable about a particular subject, such as computers, mathematics, chess, etc.
Examples:
A computer nerd. Nerd neck. He was, by nature, a cyber nerd.
Oscillate.
To swing or move back and forth like a pendulum or a wave, to fluctuate or alternate between 2 points or states, to hesitate or be indecisive.
Examples:
Oscillate back and forth. Oscillate between joy and anger. The fan in the room oscillates, making the airflow more evenly.
Hertz.
The unit of frequency, equal to 1 cycle per second, often used to describe the frequency of electromagnetic waves or electronic signals.
Examples:
Audio hertz. Terahertz radiation. The human ear can detect sounds with frequencies ranging from 20 to 20,000 hertz.
Octave.
A musical interval encompassing 8 diatonic scale degrees, such as the interval from C to the next C in a C major scale.
Examples:
Octave key. Octave range. The singer's range was impressive, covering 3 octaves with ease.
Indent.
To create a space or notch in something by making a cut or impression, to set or arrange in a way that leaves a recessed or indented pattern, to begin a line of text at a position further inward than the main margin.
Examples:
Indent the quotations. Indent for additional supplies. Please indent each new paragraph when you're writing your essay.
Disintegrate.
Break or cause to break into small fragments.
Examples:
Disintegrate in an explosion. Disintegrate over time. The vase disintegrated into pieces when it fell to the ground.
Mainframe.
A large and powerful computer with a lot of memory used primarily by large organizations for critical applications.
Examples:
Mainframe computer. Mainframe operating system. IBM has consistently been a significant supplier of mainframes for a long time.
Acoustics.
A branch of physics that deals with the study of mechanical waves in gases, liquids, and solids, including topics such as vibration, sound, ultrasound, and infrasound.
Examples.
Specialize in acoustics. The engineer of acoustics. The physicist specializes in acoustics.
Hemisphere.
Half of the terrestrial globe, half of a sphere.
Examples.
Northern hemisphere. Cerebral hemisphere. This weather pattern is unique to the southern hemisphere.
Artifact.
A person-made object, especially one of historical or cultural interest.
Examples.
Paleolithic artifacts. Peruvian artifacts. The museum has a vast collection of Greek artifacts.
Matte.
Having a surface without a shine, luster, non-glossy.
Examples.
Matte coating. Photo with a matte finish. The body of his car has a matte finish.
Hem.
The edge or border of a piece of cloth, typically sewn to prevent fraying or unraveling. A small margin or border around something. Verb, to fold the edge of a piece of fabric and sew it down to create a neat and secure finish.
Examples.
The hem of a dress. Hem the skirt. The hem length of her dress was perfect for the evening event.
Amplify.
To enhance something, particularly sound or brightness.
Examples.
Amplify a signal. Amplify the effect. You might need to amplify this point.
Tether.
To tie or secure an animal, person, or object with a rope, chain, or other similar devices to prevent it from moving too far away. Noun, a rope or chain used to tie up or restrain an animal, such as a horse or dog.
Examples.
Tether a horse. Tether strap. The hiker tethered their dog to a tree while they camped for the night.
Twilight.
The soft, diffused light from the sky when the sun is below the horizon, either from sunrise to sunrise or sunset to sunset.
Examples.
Twilight sky. Twilight of an era. The sky was a beautiful pink and orange color at twilight.
Hover.
To stay in one place in the air.
Examples.
Hover between life and death. Hover around the table. Two birds were hovering overhead.
Ratchet.
A mechanical device with a toothed wheel that can rotate in only one direction, used to transmit or control motion or to prevent backward movement.
Examples:
Ratchet wrench. Ratchet effect. He turned the bolt with the ratchet, making sure it was secure.
Drone.
A low continuous humming noise, someone who takes more time than necessary, a pilotless aerial vehicle that is operated by remote control.
Examples:
Drone flight. The speaker's drone. He heard a drone of sirens roar from the neighboring town.
Insanity.
The state of being seriously mentally ill, madness.
Examples:
Sheer insanity. Alcoholic insanity. His behavior became increasingly erratic, leading many to believe he was experiencing a bout of insanity.
Co-founder.
One of several people who establishes an organization or starts a business.
Examples:
Co-founder of the university. Late co-founder. He is the co-founder and chairman of this tech company.
Ocarina.
A small, simple wind instrument typically made of ceramic or clay, often shaped like an elongated egg with finger holes, and played by blowing into it.
Examples:
Ocarina music. Alto ocarina. In the museum, you can see an ancient Mesoamerican ocarina collection.
Synthesize.
To combine a substance to make a more complex product or compound.
Examples:
Synthesize molecules. Synthesize information. The spider has the ability to synthesize multiple different silk proteins.
Vibrato.
A musical technique in which a sustained note is varied in pitch and volume to produce a pulsating or wavering effect, a similar effect produced in speech or other forms of sound production.
Examples:
Sing with vibrato. Vibrato technique. The violinist added a vibrato to the final notes of the piece, creating a beautiful effect.
Accelerometer.
A device that measures acceleration or changes in motion, typically used in aerospace, automotive, and other engineering applications to monitor and control movement or to measure things like speed or vibration.
Examples:
Accelerometer reading. High precision accelerometer. The phone's accelerometer measures its movement and orientation in three-dimensional space.
Ditty.
A short, simple song or poem that is easy to sing or recite.
Examples:
Ditty melody. Folk ditty. The new commercial features a catchy ditty that's hard to get out of your head.
Accompaniment.
Something that is added to or goes along with something else as a supplement, complement, or support, Music played or sung along with a solo instrument or vocalist.
Examples:
The piano accompaniment. Accompaniment to the main course. The piano provided a beautiful accompaniment to the singer's voice.
Smartphone.
A mobile phone that functions as a computer and connects to the internet.
Examples:
Smartphone app developer. Smartphone addict. Internet traffic volumes have increased significantly with the advent of smartphones.
Foreground.
The part of a view, picture, etc. that is nearest to the viewer.
Examples:
Foreground segmentation. Foreground galaxy. A happy group of friends occupies the foreground of the picture.
App.
Abbreviation for application, software designed to run on smartphones and other mobile devices or inside a web browser on a PC.
Examples:
Killer app. Cannot log into the app. The discovery of a critical bug caused the company to delay the app's release.
Converge.
To move or draw together at a specific location, of lines, to move towards the same point where they join or meet.
Examples:
Converge of a series. Converge from different points. The two rivers converge into one near this area.
Rendition.
A performance or interpretation of a work, especially a musical or artistic one, a translation or version of something.
Examples:
Musical rendition. Rendition of judgment. The singer gave an emotional rendition of the song at the concert.